How do I use Pictory? That's the question. Well, there's a number of ways that you can use Pictory. If you look at their website, they do say video creation made easy. But let's take a look inside to see what we have. We're inside the main dashboard of Pictory. If we take a look inside, we see 4 main use cases for Pictory. The first one is script to video. Second one is article to video. The third one is edit videos using text. And the last main one is visuals to video. Now, if we go back to script to video, you may ask the question, okay, so what is this for? Well, they give us some hints as far as below where it says recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, and step-by-step guides. But that really doesn't give us a good understanding as far as what they mean by script to video. Well, the easiest way to break this down is to say that script to video is when you provide your own script as far as how you want the video to flow. Think about it as, a movie script or a play script or that type of script where everything is broken down line by line by line by line. That would be script to video. Now, if we move over to the next one, you have article to video. This is where it says it's recommended for blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. What they're saying is that anything that would be on a website, right? You have content that's on the website in the form of an article. You can take that article, you can paste the link of that article into this box here where it says article to video, and then click on proceed, and then it will basically, the AI will work to basically break down that article into individual pieces or lines. All right, the script of video, you're doing it pretty much on your own. You click proceed and you copy in your script. Here you're pasting in a URL to a website article or press release or any HTML article, and then it's breaking it down for you in that respect. So that's a little bit of a difference between script to video and article to video. Now, edit videos using text. This is where you bring in your video. It already has words in it, people that are speaking, and it will transcribe that video into what we say your script. All right. And those words you can actually take out or you can leave. Now, the words that you take out will actually delete that part from the video. So this is how you edit your videos using text. Now, the recommended for is add subtitles automatically. So if you have a video where you want to add subtitles to, you bring it in and then boom, there you go. You have your subtitles because it transcribed the audio or the spoken part into the written form, and it puts it into subtitles. You can cut portions of the video, which I mentioned earlier, where you can take out portions of the transcribed text and it will remove that from the video. That is, cut portions of the video. You can create highlight videos. So let's say you want to only take certain parts of the video. So by removing the transcribed text and only leaving the highlights of the transcription, there you get your create highlights. Now, add logos, intros, and outros. This is where it will transcribe. You do not have to put the subtitles in, but it can be put in automatically. But here you can add your logo at the beginning, an intro at the beginning of that video that was not there before, and an outro. And so that can all be done with the edit video using text. So as you can see, edit video using text is a lot more than what the main name of it says, edit video using text. Now, visuals to video, this is a little bit differently. Okay, so here it says it's recommended for creating short videos using your existing images and video clips. So let's say you have a whole bunch of images. Let's say you have some short clips that you want to put together. This is the place that you do it. And so you're able to arrange them the way that you want them to be arranged, add music or add even transcription to that point, and then you do this with visuals to video. So those are the 4 main, should we say, groups that you can use. All right, and then from there you can kind of mix and match what you want to do. And this is really cool about this is that, let's say you have script a video, it turns into the actual video you want. You can actually bring it back in to edit video using text, edit that video using text, and then bring that edit video using text and bring it back into visuals to video and add some adjustments there. So basically, if you start adding in these 4 combinations and all the stuff that you see underneath, you can see that you get limitless possibilities as far as what you can do to create unique videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. Watch the other videos that are about how to be an MVP in Pictory AI.